Have you ever noticed how spending money right can actually make you richer? Sounds crazy, right? But hear me out. Most people spend money to escape work, but the smart ones spend money to work better. When you buy something that makes you excited to wake up, move, and do more, that's not wasting money. That's investing in your power. Let's say you hire a cleaner. Now your place feels fresh, organized, peaceful. You walk in, and it feels like success already lives there. You just saved hours of cleaning, hours you can use to make your next move, or you pay for meal prep. No more what should I eat moments, no junk food regret, and way more focus. That's more energy for your goals. Or maybe it's a better gym membership. You walk in, the air smells clean, the machines shine, the vibe is serious. Suddenly, you lift heavier, run faster, push harder, because the environment forces you to level up. See the pattern? You're spending on things that give you time, energy, and clarity. The three ingredients of success. Now imagine this. You dress sharp every morning. The clothes fit perfectly. You look in the mirror and think, yeah, I belong in the big league. That feeling alone changes how you walk, talk, and think. You act like a winner, and winners attract more wins. Even your bed matters. A good mattress and proper sleep turn you into a machine the next day. You wake up recharged, ready to work smarter, faster, stronger. And when you start dreaming bigger, your dream home, your dream car, those aren't just luxuries. They're symbols of the future you're building. They remind you every day, this is what I'm working for. So don't feel bad about spending money. Just be smart about it. Spend on what helps you grow, on what makes you better, on what makes you want to work harder. Because when you feel excited, focused, and efficient, you do better work. And when you do better work, you make more money. So stop asking, is this too expensive? And start asking, will this make me better? Because the truth is, every dollar you spend to level up you comes back multiplied. Invest in your energy. Invest in your environment. Invest in your growth. That's how you build a life that pays you back forever.